Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on a journey into the captivating realm of the neuroscience of love. Join us as we venture into the depths of the brain to explore the intricate workings behind one of the most profound emotions known to humanity. Love, an enigma that has inspired poets, artists, and dreamers for millennia, finds its roots deep within the neural pathways of our brain. When we fall in love, certain brain regions light up like fireworks. The ventral tegmental area releases dopamine, sparking feelings of pleasure and euphoria. And let's not forget oxytocin, the love hormone that surges through our system, fostering bonds and intimacy between partners. But what happens when the initial infatuation wears off? The brain transitions to a more stable, long-term love, lighting up the insular and prefrontal cortex, which facilitate empathy and deeper connections. From the dizzying honeymoon phase to the comforting warmth of lasting affection, the neuroscience of love is an intricate dance of chemicals and emotions. Understanding the neuroscience of love can shed light on our behavior, shaping how we connect with others and foster meaningful relationships. As we explore this profound emotion, we realize that love is not just a fleeting feeling, it's an extraordinary symphony orchestrated by our brain. As we conclude this one-minute journey through the neuroscience of love, let's embrace the power of this remarkable emotion and the science that makes it possible. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the heart and the wonders of the brain.